Okay, sorry about that. My camera was full. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it is right now. As you can tell, it's not that bad right now. See? It doesn't have to be perfect the first time because you have a lot of sandpaper to go with. So next step is just I grab the 2400 and I do the same process. Trying to be careful with the edges. Very careful. Have to be very gentle. Okay. Check again how it is, and you can see it's very good. See, it's better. It's getting there. Now the 3200. I'm trying this with this area of the car because it's a very small area. It's not as small as this one, but it's just very small. As you can see how, if you want to see a good result, it's not good to do it with a big area because a lot of guys have done this with a big area. It doesn't show how hard it is on get on these small areas of the car. It's very easy to explain on the big side. I'm not saying they are doing it wrong. I'm just saying that for me, I find it really hard to do it when I jump to this point of the car. See, it's not like this yet. You can see there the difference. It's not there yet. Now that 3600. Like I said, I'm not the best doing this, but I just want to make a video of this. I know a lot of guys are scared of doing this. I was one of them. And when I was, well, actually my first two builds I doing like without doing this process, and I find it really good builds for me at that point, and I really love the paint. But after watching some videos, I was seeing the paint job they have, it was a lot better, really a lot better. And they mentioned about wet sanding and wet color sanding of the model, and I never done that at that point. So one day, if I recall, Marcos Cruz, I think he's one of the one who has the video about the wet sanding, and I guess Chris Chapman. I'm not remember right now if he has one, and Darren Cooper has one too. And those I follow those. There are and Joe Thompson, Little Joe. Yeah, he was a when I was my first best paint job that I did. My first good paint job was on my gasser last year, and I asked him. Well, he put on a video on that, and after that I asked him if he's gonna do a series about the paint job. He made it. I'm sorry, and he did a really nice tutorial about that. And he explained about the wet sanding. He didn't put doing something like this. And now that I mentioned this, there's one guy who mentioned about doing this. Who was it? I don't remember right now. And he made a really good video. About the process. See? It's really smooth right now. It's not shiny, but it is smooth. It's getting there. Now 6,000. Now it's time to come the paint. I mean now it's coming the showing the shine of the car. Of the paint job. Sorry. I know this is a very long process because you have to do this to the whole car. Well, actually not to the whole car, but like me, for example, I want to do it on this car. I want to do a better job on it, and I want to make sure everything is wet sanded before I clear coat. Sorry. And I want to make a really good model, not just for my shelf. I built for myself, but I really like. I really enjoy being in the shows and participate in the show. Okay, let's see how it is looking. As you can tell, you can start to see the shine. You can see now 8,000. And now it's looking really good. You'll see. I always do this very gentle. You don't have to push it really hard to get the orange peel gone, or the bubbles, or whatever you got in the paint. But if you do it very smooth, you don't have to be worried about get through the paint and get to the primer. Or if you're doing with a clear coat, you don't have to go through the paint. Just do it very gentle. Do it the times you need it to do it. Doesn't matter. For me it doesn't matter because I just want to make it really smooth. as you can see, look at that. Look at that. Real nice. Real nice, huh? And now, the final step, 12,000. So I don't remember who made the, like I said, there's a good video there. I don't remember who did it, but he made it in a door, I think, on a hood. But he explained it step by step on each grid with the soapy water and everything. We'll have to forget. I forgot to explain about the soapy water. It's just water with a little bit of soap. I do it with a Dawn. I remember that. Dawn. It's a blue one. You could do it with a soapy water, with a hand soap. But I just grabbed one with the one with the, you can do the dishes. As you can tell, look at that. Look at that shine. Haha. Very cool, huh? This has been a long video. just showing this little piece. That's a little piece of the car. And that pair and that part and this part and this part, I do it the same process. I know it took a lot of time to do this because it's a slow process with a good, real good result. I really like it. I'm gonna show you with the trunk. I haven't done the trunk area, just the trunk. As you can see, let me see if I can. Okay, there it is. You can see the trunk is done, but the edges of the car is not. To go over there. I haven't done that area, but it looks really, really nice. But like I said, I love it how it is. It looks really, really nice. And when it's done, and now I'm gonna jump into this area, and it looks really, really good. Well, that's all, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving dinner. I really enjoyed it. It was good, very good. I was watching some videos here, you know. But like I said, have a good week. Good week. I've been watching all the guys' videos. I'm very, very behind on videos. I'm sorry about that. Just been very busy and you know, at home and work, everything with the kids, and I'm trying to keep up. I'm trying to do my best. I'm trying to comment on each video because sometimes you can tell something that you forgot or you step up or something, and just to carry. I'm sorry, to carry up, to cheer up the work, because there's a lot of good bills there. And no, keep it good, guys. Have a good day at work, home, whatever you guys doing, and enjoy your families. And see you next time. Bye bye.